Yes, sir. We back, we back, we back. One stop drip shop unboxing in the bando. Yes, sir. We got another one for y'all, man. We brought it back to the old days, man. We just unboxing it right in front of you, gang. You heard? We back with some news you could use right in front of you, though, man. I ain't gonna cap you down. This box been sitting in my house for over a month now, man. No bullshit. This shit been sitting in my house over a month now. So here the long story, the backstory on these. Like these sneakers, they dropped officially December 1st. You know what I'm saying? I placed the order. Then I got a text from a Louis Vuitton advisor saying, yeah, that order you placed, yeah, we ain't got them sneakers, bro. So we can't send you that shit. I'm like, what, nigga? The fuck you talking about? That's Louis Vuitton, nigga. If I buy some shit, I expect to get it, you know what I'm saying, after I order the shit. So after I bombed on him and let him know this ain't the type of service that I expect from Louis Vuitton, I expect this from a lower tier company. He then said, well, all right, gang, these shit's gonna drop again on the 8th. They was highly anticipated, and a lot of people, they had a 24 to 48 hour window to get them, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, nigga, eat up. I don't wanna hear all that shit, bro. If I can't get these shits on the 8th, I'm gonna be tight, nigga, and I might just start fucking with Louis altogether. You know, and that's how I was coming, but let's open this bitch up, man. Enough backstory, so you can see I end up ordering them on the 8th. You dig? These shits been sitting ever since. I want to give you some motherfucking, let me see. So I want to show y'all, just so y'all know I ain't capping, but I want to make sure none of my information ain't on this shit. You know what I'm saying? Skate, sneakers. All right, here you go. Just to know, December 8th. You feel what I'm saying? December 8th. So when I tell y'all I be copping that shit and just sitting on it, it's just in a room. It's just in a corner in a room somewhere. Like, believe me, nigga. All right, here we go, man. And mind you, I'm not have no plans on wearing these shits probably till another 2-3 weeks. So I just did this for the channel. Shout out to y'all, man. I did this shit for the channel, gang. You know? I did it for the channel, gang. But you know these is some heat, bro. You know they some heat, bro. Just know these is some heat, my nigga. These probably gonna hype me to want to wear these shits. Ooh. They sexy little bitches, man. You know I be on my Dark Knight vibes, my Black Mamba vibes, you know what I'm saying? I came alive in the dark, baby. You dig? Yeah. Yeah. So let me give y'all some details on these bitches. There's gonna be a goofy in my comment like, yo, these is fake, bro. Yo, these fake. Stupid ass niggas. So yo, these is some like, hold on, let me try. Oh, all right. I thought they was gonna be like stars. These is like the bottom. Virgil should have been. Let me see. Yeah, this is dope because this is the LV design in here. You might not be able to see it. I was gonna say Virgil should have did that shit, made these like the LV designs. Now if you could see a little bit, you know what I mean? If you know like the bottom of Air Forces, how they be having the little stars and shit. Virgil took his time with this one, man. R.I.P. Virgil. R.I.P. Virgil. You got a little bit of suede. You got some suede right here on the side. You got some leather. You got mesh material. Got a little mesh material. Got the skater joint on the back. You know? Yeah, these is classic, man. They tough. You know what I'm saying? You loosen these bitches up. See what else I could give you. Yeah, this is a good cop, man. It's a good section right here, bro. Hold on. I don't know why I took the lacings off. Yeah, man. In fact, I want to show y'all the tongue. Let's see what's going on the bottom. Regular bottom. These the stars on the bottom that I was telling y'all about for the Air Force. So I think he did it on these too. I gotta check, but I ain't gonna slow the video up for that, you know what I mean? But yeah, these shits is tough. I know you seen everybody with like the white and red, the blue and white, and probably like another color. If you part of the family, part of the drip shop, you already knew what color I was gonna get. You know what I mean? Not to say I don't fuck with other colors and this, that, and the third, but y'all know what y'all here for, man. That cracking black, you heard? That black pack, that's what y'all here for. Let me pull the other one out. That treating that shit like a titty, only focused on one. You know how y'all niggas sucking titties, y'all just be focused on one titty. Bitch be having to tell y'all, go over to the other one, show the other one love. Yeah, I'm just focused on one joint, even though these shits is identical, bro. Damn, I shouldn't have loosened up these lacings, man. Yeah, this is probably one of my worst unboxing videos ever, y'all. Ever. But I brought it to the channel, man. This might be one of the first skater unboxings on this whole YouTube, man. My plans on being the first one with these shits on YouTube, but bro, I gotta live life, man. I be doing a lot of other things, man. I do want to build this channel. As a matter of fact, damn, I should have said this in the beginning of the video. Most people don't even make it all the way to the end, man. But I want to say thanks to everybody that been supporting, helping me grow this shit. Everybody that been down with a nigga, man. I fuck with y'all, and I appreciate y'all, man. One Stop Drip Shop, unboxing in the bando. Player had to stay ahead.